Before entering the item or product, press Ctrl R for sales representative. The sales representative is the person represent the sales product. Click the sales representative or press F4 to add a sales representative. Click the Add button or press A. Press F4 for autocode. Enter the sales representative, address, address to, and contact number. Press Enter to save. Click the Exit button or press X to go back to the transaction. The sales representative displayed. Enter the item or product or press F9 for the item to search. Click the Exit button or press X to end the transaction.